Hello, welcome to this update. Let's see the hazards here in the severe weather. So, we have some heat advisories in southern Florida. There, let's see. It says heat indices at up to 108 Fahrenheit possible, so be careful there. Flood watches for parts of East Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi and Alabama and the Florida Panhandle, parts of Virginia, West Virginia, parts of West Kentucky, southern Illinois, southeastern Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, and northwestern Tennessee. Some dense fog advisories this morning in some areas. Wind advisories in parts of the northwestern U.S. and wind warnings in parts of Idaho and Montana. Some warnings in Hawaii too, some flood watches and high surf warnings there. And a line of flash flood warnings in parts of Mississippi. So, some severe thunderstorm warnings scattered. Let's see the severe weather. So they have two slight risks, one in the Dakotas and southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming. Another slight risk from Louisiana to Georgia, and a marginal from Montana to Minnesota, and from Texas to Georgia too. So tornado, let's see, tornado is just in the south, 5% in southeastern Louisiana all the way to Georgia, and 2% from Louisiana to Georgia. Wind 15% in the north there, in the Dakotas and those areas, and 5% from Texas to Georgia, and 15% from Louisiana to Georgia. And hail 5% in the north there, and 5% from Texas to Georgia, and 15% from Louisiana to Georgia. So let's see here. Severe thunderstorms may impact parts of central and eastern Gulf states and portions of the northern Great Plains this afternoon through tonight. So let's see tomorrow. Oh my. If there's a marginal risk in the UP of Michigan and Wisconsin, a slight from Florida to North Carolina, and a marginal from Louisiana to North Carolina. Tornado 2% in the southeast, wind 5% in the north there and in the southeast, 15% in the southeast, and hail 5% in the southeast and in the north there. There's a slight, isolated scattered severe thunderstorms are possible in portions of southeast states and Carolinas and parts of the upper Midwest on Saturday. Oh my gosh. So let's see day 3. Oh my gosh. They have a slight risk in parts of Kansas and Nebraska, and a marginal from northernmost Texas to southernmost South Dakota and Iowa there. Probabilistic. There's 15% probabilistic and 5%. So, severe thunderstorms are most likely across parts of central Kansas into central eastern Nebraska on Sunday. Large hail and damaging gusts will be the main hazards, though a tornado or two might be possible too. Day 4. Wow. So, oh my gosh, this is gigantically insane. So day 4, they have a 15% from Kansas to Iowa there. And let's see, there's the discussion here if you want. And for Tuesday on day 5, they have a huge area from Oklahoma to Michigan. So this might get very, 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 very interesting on day 5 for Tuesday. We gotta keep watching this. Day 6, day 7, day 8, nothing. So let's see now the weather prediction center and the rainfall stuff here. Wait, let's see here. So they have a moderate risk for excessive rainfall for today too. Let's see. In parts of Alabama and Mississippi and southeastern Louisiana, kind of southeastern, like eastern there, and a slight from Louisiana to Georgia, a slight from northeastern Arkansas to Kentucky, and a slight in Virginia and West Virginia there, and a marginal from southern Texas to Pennsylvania. So be aware of the flash flooding and heavy rains. So rainfall forecast day 1, mainly in the south there and in those other areas too, parts of Canada also. Day 2 is like this, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 1 for 7. Nice. So let's see here the overview for today, for tomorrow, for day 3. Snowfall forecast just in parts of Montana and Canada there. And day 3, okay, I think it's good. So let's see the model here really quick. Let's see the HUR. So to see those storms there, let's zoom first to the southeast and then we will check more. So you have the storms in Florida there, some and more in Alabama and Mississippi there, going eastwards, some strong ones this afternoon there in Alabama, Mississippi, going to Georgia too, and northern Florida. So Texas calmed down, but it shows like some thunderstorms in East Texas there this afternoon maybe. So let's see the north of Earth. So north central US. So the Dakotas there. Ooh, by this afternoon and evening we will get some storms there in the Dakotas. They might form like a line there and some damaging winds maybe. Let's see Montana now. It's northwestern US. So you can see the snow there and the storms in Montana and also southern Canada there. You might get some storms too. So this is it, I think. In Canada, they still have some air quality statements for advice for wildfires there, and some fog advisories this morning parts of southern Ontario there, and they have some highway advisories there for snowfall in parts of British Columbia. So this is it, I think. We'll keep you updated. Bye.